So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss some important questions regarding the IUPAC nomenclature, okay? And it is first molecule in which two groups is attached, okay? This is the center benzene ring and NH2 amine and bromine is attached, okay? So in alphabetical order, if you see, bromo comes first, okay? So first of all, bromo naming priority should be given to NH2 then bromo, okay? तो 3 पे ब्रोमो, तो मैंने क्या लिख दिया 3 ब्रोमो, ओके, एंड दिस मॉलिक्यूल कॉल्ड एनिलीन, ओके, सो 3 ब्रोमो एनिलीन, ओके, दिस मॉलिक्यूल इज known as iso means similar thionyl aldehyde, okay, so it is isothionyl aldehyde, similar compound. If you see here, this is one benzene is attached by two acid group, okay, and it is where position, this is called ortho position, okay, so it is called thiolic acid. So thiolic acid, when it will be known when two acid group attached continuously, okay, 1 2 position, okay, it is also known as ortho position, okay, so it is also known as, this is the benzene ring and 1 2 containing carboxylic acid, so it is benzene 1 2 dicarboxylic acid, okay, so it is the another name of this molecule, okay. Similarly, if you see this one, this is called allyl moiety, okay, so first of all it acts as a substituent here, so you note first allyl, this in benzene, so allyl benzene is the name of this molecule, okay. Similarly, if you see this molecule, this is isopropyl, so first of all you will add how much, this is the acid, so priority should be functional group this one, so 1 2 3, 3 पे क्या है isopropyl, 3 carbon is here, so that's why it is called propyl, okay, and 4 vinyl, this moiety is called, this is the CH double bond CH2, it is called vinyl, so 4 vinyl this molecule is called benzoic acid, okay, so it is completed. Next one we will come here. First of all, if you see this molecule, so in this molecule priority should be given to first acid 1 2 3, okay, so 3 chloro, this one is 4 5 पे hydroxy, तो 3 chloro 5 hydroxy 2 nitro benzoic acid, okay, so it is the name of this molecule. Next one, this if you see here, this is the ethyl, okay, so ethyl comes first, then 2 chloro carbonyl, it is called 2, देखो this one is ethyl, 2 पे क्या लगा है क्लोरो कार्बोनिल, okay, and then benzo, this is benzoate because ester group if attached by benzene then is called benzoate, okay. Similarly, if you see this molecule, this is called, this alkene moiety is called Z. Actually, two orientation is present in the molecule, either this one or this one, okay, so it is called Z and it is called E, okay. E means it will like that Z, okay, and it will like that this bond will be in same position, this bond will be present in opposite position, okay, so it is Z, so we will add here Z. Since you will naming of carbon should be given to this side 1 2 3, so Z3, actually in this one carbon should, it will not include here 1 2 3, so Z, because orientation is Z type, okay, Z3 hydroxy, okay, 6 3 4 5 देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 hydroxy 6 oxo, 6 position containing oxo. Actually if you see here 1 2 3, the naming should be given from this side, not this side, okay, so Z3 had, if you naming should be given from this side 1 2 3, 3 hydroxyl, okay, 6 oxo, 3 4 5 6, this is act as a here oxo, 6 oxo, hex 3 enamide, okay, this is enamide moiety, so hex इन कितने पे है 3 पे है, तो 3 लिख लिया, देन enamide, okay. So confusion will be not here, actually some I missed here. First of all, you should see the orientation of alkene moiety. So it is Z, so I have included this Z. Okay, 3 hydroxy because this act as a functional group here. So 1 2 3 पे क्या है 3 hydroxyl, it acts as a substituents. 3 4 5 6 6 पे क्या है 6 आक्जो, CHO को हम यहाँ पे आक्जो कहेंगे, ठीक है. हेक्स बिकॉज 6 कार्बन, चैन इज 6 कार्बन, हेक्स 3 इनामाइड, 3 इनामाइड, दिस इज इनामाइड, दिस इज 1 2 3 पोजीशन पे क्या है आपका हेक्जीन. ओके, सो हेक्जीन 3 इनामाइड. ओके, so it is the nomenclature of this molecule. And in this, if you see, this carbon is not here. Okay, next if you see here, this molecule, if numbering should be given from functional group 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6, either you should give this carbon or 6. Okay, so if you see here, this is E because it is like Z. Okay, so E 4 5 पे क्या है डाईमेथाइल, दिस इज द डाईमेथाइल. हेक्स बिकॉज 6 कार्बन चेन इज प्रेजेंट. 2 पे क्या है यहाँ पे 1 2 2 इनोइक एसिड. ओके, सो हेक्स, दिस इज द डबल बॉन्ड. हेक्स 1 2 पे डबल बॉन्ड है तो मैंने 2 लिख लिया. इन है क्योंकि डबल बॉन्ड है, एंड ओइक एसिड है बिकॉज कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप पीछे है. ओके, सो इट इज़ द नेम ऑफ दिस मॉलिक्यूल E45 डाइमेथाइल हेक्स 2 इनोइक एसिड. ओके, नेक्स्ट पे आते हैं दिस मॉलिक्यूल. तो 1 2 3 4 5, सो दिस वन इज E5 hydroxy. If you see here, this is 5, naming should be given to this because hydrox substituent is 5 hydroxy, 4 methyl, actually it is, this one is single bond, 4 methyl, then hex 2 in, because 2 पे double bond है, hex 2 enoic acid. Okay, so it is the common name of this molecule. Okay, so carefully you should remember that it is the E and it is the Z. Okay, so it is very important for you, and this is the some toughest IPAC examples, and this type of problems can be seen in IITG and medical exams. So please, before going to the exam, see this and solve yourself. Okay, for analyzing yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Okay.